I feel like a man from another time. My memories of the past so much cleaner and stronger, oh, and fine. Seen to me the girls much prettier, the air was cleaner, and coffee only cost one dime, one dime, one dime. When I was younger, used to wonder why old folks used to talk about the past. I used to think they were so boring, and now I've arrived at last. Anyway, why do you want to listen what I got to say at all? Don't you got nothing better to do? Don't you got nothing better to do? Don't you got nothing better to do? Listen to a man from another time. Listen to a man from another time. Listen to a man from another time. My greatest fear before I die is to turn into a boring old fart. All I can do is keep on playing what's in my heart, heart, heart. Anyway, I don't know why you want to listen what I got to say.